In this video, I'm going to show you how to search for filters on Instagram. That is quite simple and easy to do, so let's begin. And first, once you are on Instagram, make sure you are on homepage, swipe out to open up your story camera and then swipe to the left at the bottom to scroll to the very right icon. It calls Browse Effects, tap on that and now you are on Effect Gallery. Here you can select from all that categories of effects like following, reels, Instagram, selfies, color and light, camera styles and so on. There are a bunch of different categories and in every of that category you can scroll down and look for different effects, and also here you can use search bar. If you know the exact name of some filter that you want to find, like crying, here you can look for any effect that contain crying word in the name, and to use any of that effect just tap here and tap on try it to get used this effect as you normally do on creating your story or your reel. That's how it works. Make sure you like this video and don't forget to subscribe.